Come waabang, will I be older? Come waabang, maybe a soldier. Come waabang, will I be bolder than you, dear? Hey, BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO, welcome to BOOZHOO Nano BOOZHOO, my podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today we're talking about waabang, waabang, tomorrow. And Elwyn, you know what I just realized? I like recording these podcasts early in the morning because my voice is really, you know, what's the term? It's got a nice timbre. Waabang. It makes me feel like I sound like David Bowie. And then I looked at the calendar and I realized coming up it's going to be the anniversary of his death. Oh, that's a weird synchronicity. But anyway, waabang, waabang is tomorrow. And I don't know if it's tomorrow or the next day, but it might be tomorrow. That was David Bowie's. Yeah, I think it is. Tomorrow is the date that David Bowie passed away. He went over to the land of the everlasting happiness. Gagike, Minawani, Gozi winning. Gagige, Minawani, Gozi winning. Gagige, Minawani, Gozi winning. It's a really long phrase, but it means the land of everlasting happiness. So, when people leave us, it's no time to cry. In fact, the elders, they tell us, don't cry. It's really important that you just kind of get on with it. If you cry, if you miss us too much, we're not going to go on to the land of everlasting happiness. We're going to linger around. So that's why they say, especially for the first 4 days or so. There's nothing wrong with crying. But, just remember, they're on their journey. And just like David Bowie, they're on their way to Gagike, Minawani, Gozi winning, to the land of everlasting happiness. But that's not for today. That's for waabang. Come waabang, will I be older? All right, well, that's all I have for today. I'd like to say miigwech for watching BOOZHOO Nano BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Kigawaaba min, minawa, hoa. Yeah, David Bowie.